Hey Gigi, how are you?
Hey Natalie, how are you?
Doing great. So let's do a quick virtual tour, shall we?
Oh, yes we should.
Let's talk about the French Mercantile. Yeah, we're gonna Vanna this one. All right, so on our French Mercantile fixture, we have a variety of cute kitchenware, towels, linens, cake pedestals, ceramics, and everything has a wonderful hue, blending from rustic reds to beautiful, what would you call that tan color?
Khaki.
Khaki.
Ugly khaki.
It's not ugly khaki. I would call it like flour sack brown.
Oh, that's fancy for khaki.
I know. So flour sack brown it is.
Yes.
All right, so we got flour sack brown, rustic red, and a little bit of charcoal and gray. But I pulled everything I could think of French-wise into this little space. So I've got Silpats. These are the original Silpats, not the knockoffs. They have true fiber mesh weave on the inside, so they can last you a lifetime. And they are in quarter sheet and half sheet sizes. So depending on what your sheet size is, we've got both to match. So this is for your little baby cookie sheets, and this is for your half sheets. And then in this group, I also have cute little linens. I'm going to bring this one closer because I love the pattern. So I'm going to just bring this in. Low budget zooms. And this would be low budget panning. All right. So we've got linens in kitchen towels. And then I fell in love with this little set and I had to bring it in. I know. Aren't you cute?
That is cute.
So we have 4 different kitchen towels. 2 are dish towels, 2 are dishcloths. I'm going to back this up a little bit. Yeah. And then we have everything else that I could find in red and white as well. Got the little mini whisk, you know. We whisk you a wonderful day. I'm so glad to see sunshine. How about you?
Oh yes, definitely.
Yeah.
I'm just glad to be outside and at work
Right?
because I'm going crazy in the house.
We also have a bowl scraper. Would you like to Vanna that up to that little camera? And it has conversion charts front and back. So you've got your cup to tablespoon measurements and your cups, pints to ounces as well on one side, and then the back side has your temperature conversions. Very cool. In the same group as our silicone mats, I also have the original Silpat and Macaron Mat. Has the little stamps, and they're not stamps, it's actually part of the mat itself. So it's got, that's not gonna rub off.
Flat.
Yeah, they're flat and they're actually part of the
Process
mat itself. Yeah, so it's not a print that's gonna come off. Let's see, what else we got? So I have my favorite spices here. You guys know we carry some spices, right? Especially if they're baking related. And I have whole nutmeg, pink peppercorns, juniper berries, and whole allspice. Now, of course, with those whole ingredients like that, you're gonna need some form of mortar and pestle. And we carry amyls, and we have red and white. You might have to come this way, G. Haha, see? We also carry amyls Ramekin sets in red and white, and these are 2 packs, and they are number 8 ramekins. And of course, all of this is made in France. We also have a handful of pedestal plates to combine and work with this group, because I know you guys are sitting at home in your kitchen wondering how you can make it more beautiful. Well, this is the way. That reference.
That is the way.
That is the way. That is the way. All right, back to these spices. I brought my pink peppercorns. Have you had pink peppercorns before?
A long time ago.
All right, so I thought we would share some and like compare.
Just eat it?
Yeah, just eat it. Pop that in your mouth and tell me what it makes you think
All of
of.
them?
All of them.
Oh my God,
Do it all. So I had the pleasure of enjoying pink peppercorns for the first time in a white chocolate cupcake with white chocolate mousse.
It's delicious.
It's a little bit sweet, but it's got that little hint of pepper in the background, but it doesn't make me think of pepper. So it
tastes juicy.
Yeah,
It tastes like
there's something fruity about
yeah,
it.
it tastes really fruity and smooth.
So I love these. And then I also have juniper berries, which if you happen to love gin and tonics as much as I do, especially now, you're gonna love juniper berries. So this makes a great flavor combination with a variety of things.
Make me eat that
I'm gonna
too.
make you eat one, yeah. You don't have to eat all 3 at once.
Oh my God.
I'll eat that one. And you'll have to
I'm
tell
a
me
soldier. I'll soldier it out.
Do it, do it, do it. It reminds me of blueberries in a way. Different?
Menthol-y. Like
Yeah,
make
you
sure
get the menthol?
You go into
Yeah.
the nose.
Yeah. It has that
mentholy.
hint of menthol.
That's what it
I think it's that wonderful pine. Like it makes me want to go out and lick a pine tree.
No.
All right, so I'm gonna have to do some more convincing on the juniper berries, obviously. I'll find some recipes and share it, but I really like it.
I actually like it though. I like how it stays and kind of the flavor and aroma inside it.
So the menthol kind of goes away.
Yeah.
And
I could eat that whole thing of the
peppercorns.
Yeah,
they're
it's delicious.
And let's talk about the salts that we carry. So right now I have Alder smoked salt and Hawaiian sea salt. Both are beautiful. I actually bought the Hawaiian sea salt because of its color. Like I just fell in love with this and I thought it would be really pretty on my chocolates. You don't have to eat that if you don't want to.
I'll try it.
Oh, Gigi's got to go answer the phone, but I'll keep going. And then the salt itself has a very gentle, earthy tone. Like there's a little hint of earthiness underneath. I don't know how to explain it except that it has just a subtle earthiness, but not enough to make you go, I'm eating dirt. And then the Alder smoked salt. I wish you guys were here to smell this because it's amazing. Oh, it just makes me think of a wonderful campfire that has deep, rich woods burning. Oh, it's just fantastic. And the granules are a little bit bigger. So they actually make for, I don't know, really pretty crystals on your chocolates. Can you guys see that? Yeah, I love this one. I use it on everything. And we also carry a Chardonnay smoked Fleur de Sel. And that Chardonnay smoked Fleur de Sel is a lighter color. And when you smell it, it has hints of Chardonnay casks. They actually take the barrels and smoke the salt over those casks, those barrels. And that's what lends it that wonderful Chardonnay flavor and scent along with the smoke. So these three are probably my favorite salts of all of our collections. In addition, we have Aprons. You saw Gigi wearing the cute stripe French Mercantile, and I have the little dark black and tan, and I love it too. I also have the matching bag, and that matching bag has a little sign on the top that says homemade, and it's nice and deep, and I love that. So I don't like shopping bags that are chintzy. I want them to be a nice, tough material, and this is a true heavyweight. It's a heavyweight woven material, and the bag itself is as well. The straps are a wonderful grosgrain, so you're going to have nice, sturdy woven straps, and it has reinforced tacks where those handles match, like the reinforcements. Anyway, super cute. Go get your groceries. And the last few little odds and ends that I have here include the cake pop pan. So this is kind of cool. So if you are like me and you hate rolling cake pops.
I love cake pops so much.
And this is the easy route, Gigi, the easy route.
I'd make donuts.
Yeah, these would make great little donut holes. But they're designed so that you can put your batter in halfway, like fill it halfway. And this is actually the upside. It has a tiny little steam hole here. So the batter has an opportunity to expand and fill that space so that when you unmold it, you get cute little rounds. So the easy version of cake pops. I also have a few little unbleached baking cups. I've got mini cups and I've got the little loaves. And I don't know why I decided to put this over here. I think it's because it's cute. And
kind of fallish.
Yeah, but it's an apple corer, so you can make apple pies at home. July's pie season. Moms make pie.
I totally don't make pie.
Oh, Gigi.
No way.
But this little guy doubles as a cupcake corer. So you can put your filling into
do that instead.
Cupcake corer. So,
Sold.
Anything else you want to talk about on this fixture, Gigi?
Not really.
The French Mercantile. Oh my gosh, you have to show off your apron. That's right, that's right. So the aprons are awesome, woven.
Oh, and they have an inner pocket. Hold on, I just found something.
Oh, that's the outer pocket.
Oh!
I think you can wear it either way, but
There's like an inner pocket in here to hide your goodies, like your candy and snacks.
that way the kids can't get it.
Yeah, because my kids are heathens. So I would totally hope all my like sour gummies and stuff and some chips right here.
Mine be on the outside.
Oh no, I'd be like, oh, they'd pat me down. Thank you. I'm like, no, get
My
away.
snacks,
Mom snacks. I'm working.
All right, so that concludes our first little virtual tour. Our first virtual tour of the French Mercantile. Of course, you can find all of this on our website to purchase at artisincakes.com. Look for the collection, French Mercantile. All right, cool beans.
That was fun.
Thanks, Gigi.
Thank you.
Bye, guys.
Bye.